Sir, in the last class, we had a discussion about how to validations by using the serializers, single field level, object level, inbuilt validators. After that, model serializer. In the Django REST framework, there are two types of views are available: APIView, ViewSet. In our Django, how the FBV, CBV are there, same. First one APIView, by using this, we implemented the method get, post, put, delete methods. Second one is one application I implemented, small application with REST class to here get, post, put, patch methods. How we implemented D drive REST API April 1st CD with REST C2 manage.py. Run the server. Copy the address. Give API. Test API view is implemented. This is the by default. We are using the get method. I'm provided some message, colors. Here buttons are available there: post, put, patch, delete. Post method means we have to provide some data internally. We have to give a column. I'm given name equal to Katrina post. Data is accepted. It is printed hello Katrina, happy new year. If I want to click on put, it is calling the put method. Yes, cursor will goes to there. If I want to call the patch, it is calling patch. If I click on delete, it is calling the delete method. This one I implemented by using the API view. Second class is ViewSet. In API view, we implemented these methods: get, put, post, patch, and delete methods are there. But in the ViewSet, whatever methods are there, the first method is list. It is to get all the resources. It is to get all the resources or records. Second one, retrieve method. It is to get a specific resource. Create. To create a new resource. Update. To update a resource. Partial update. destroy, to delete the resource. When these view sets are best choice, first one, if we want to develop a simple CRUD interface to our database, if you want to develop a simple and quick API to manage the predefined objects, if we are performing only standard operations with very less or no customization, we are not performing any complex operations, then ViewSet is the best choice. Line number, Go to the atom. With the REST class to test app. Views. Open all them. Sir, previously this is the test API view. Now create one more class. This time class is test ViewSet. Previously the parent class is API view. Now from REST underscore framework, framework dot ViewSets is the module. Import the class name is ViewSet. Copy this, paste here. Now, previously the first method is get method. Now what is the method? The method is list method. First argument self, second one is request. Same previous how I am taken, you have to take some colors equal to a list I can provided. Now I want to create one dictionary message with the key happy. Now this dictionary I want to send it to the return. What is the class? Response class. Inside pass this dictionary. This is the ViewSet. So here colors and this one is there. List method is ready. For this define one view URL. Sir, previously in case of the API view, direct URL pattern is there. But now there is one concept is there. Routing concept is there. Somewhere else in the last class I'm telling at the time of ViewSet, we have to define URL manually. But whenever you are using ViewSet, compulsory you can go with router concept. App level URLs we have to include this one. That is, there is one class is there, default router class is there. How to create object to that class, that is from REST underscore framework dot routers is the module. Import, what is the class name? Default router. For this class you can create object default router with parentheses. Object got created. Give the reference variable what it is, router. For this router you have to register one URL pattern. Router dot the command is register is the function. Inside what is your URL pattern? You can mention this is the test view set. This name anything you can give, okay? After that I can provide it views dot. What is our view name? Test view set, comma. There is one variable is there base name. Keyword argument. Whatever your URL given, that you have to provide into this one. So this is your URL pattern. How to register to the router. This one I have to include it. So how to include the application level URLs? Path. I can provide that empty. Here I want to give include is the function. Include not there. First import that function. Include. Now include internally have to provide it router dot URLs. That is the now see the server. Server is ready. Copy this. Just to give the here URL pattern. Django REST framework. We are given what is the URL test ViewSet. Here how to this is the URL pattern. Once you click on this, then your that colors ఇదిగోండి హ్యాపీ చేయడం కలర్స్ రాలేదంటే we are not created dictionary comma colors colon colors. Now come to here. This is the URL pattern test ViewSet. Whatever you are given that one. First click on this URL. It is getting to the అక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా పడిందా ఇక్కడ పడింది స్టార్టింగ్ కలర్స్ కలర్ డిక్షనరీ సరిపోయింది. Now see the server is fine. Now refresh the browser. This is the URL. మన IP address test ViewSet URL. Once click on this get command. Happy Srinam Navami colors are came. Same we have to implemented post method, put method, patch method. Take this view. In urls.py, whenever we are using ViewSet, router will map view to URLs automatically. Default router is the class name. That is the urls.py. This is the view. Possible. Any application API is possible. Second method is retrieve. Go to the views. Here just a normal message I want to write def outside the class. Inside def retrieve is the method. First argument self. Second one is request. There is no data in the database. That's why primary key equal to none. I have to say return. Response is the class. Inside create one dictionary. Message colon. The message is this response from retrieve method of ViewSet. Save this. See the server. Server is ready. Remove this. Once I'm clicking on this one, yes, we are getting it. But how to get the response means we have to insert something one, then it one day. I'm trying to access this response is from retrieve method. Same. Now to go with update, partial update, destroy. Second one. Update. Partial update. Destroy. This is response from update. This is response from partial update. This is from destroy. See the server is ready. Go to the URL pattern. First one, get option. If you go to the, now we are getting a put a patch. Retrieval done. If you click on port, this is from update, patch, partial update, delete, destroy method executed there. Like that, we have to implement it. V4 methods. So you have to start server, send request like this. Then all will come, retrieve, put, patch, destroy, delete buttons. There is no data in the database. Primary key none. There is no primary keys. If the model is there, then primary keys are available. I can given primary key none means there is no data inside the database. Models are not there. Na? General application I can implement it. That's I can provide PK equal to none. Sir, up to now we implemented somewhere else we are using Sunny jobs project I implemented starting classes. At the time of we are discussing models, we created Sunny jobs project. Inside 3 links I provided: Hyderabad jobs, Bangalore jobs, and Pune jobs. By using populate.py, I added some dummy data and I displayed the data into here. So in that case, observe here, Sunny jobs and application, Mahesh jobs, Sunny jobs. Over the 10th February 11 a.m. CD Sunny jobs py manage.py. Run the server. Server started. Stop the server sometime temporarily. Copy the address. Go to the browser. Hyderabad jobs. Once you click on this, jobs will be displayed. So up to now, our role is application developer. What is the role? Application developer. So the application is ready. This application can be accessed by end user by using the browser. Ante only end user can access this application. Third partner application not able to access my application. Because this can be accessed by only end user can access by using the URL pattern. Internally in the project architecture, Sunny Jobs project lo, again with the name of Sunny Jobs folder will be created. Inside settings.py and some files are there. urls.py file is there. And one more folder will be there. What it is? Test app. Inside test app, there are mainly views.py, models.py, forms.py. This is project architecture up to now. See this one. Open not only Dijang here also same story only 10th February Sunny Jobs. Sunny Jobs lo this is the architecture just now I am written. First Sunny Jobs one folder. Inside settings all the story you know. Inside test app folder will be there. Inside models admin all files are there. Up to now just we implemented one project. Your role is application developer. Dijang application ready. For this existing application, we have to provide an API. How to provide an API? You are not API developer, you are a application developer. So existing project how to implement the API means just you have to create one folder. What is the folder name? API folder name. Inside API, you have to create your logic under test app, create the folder API. Okay. Inside API, you have to implemented views.py file. That is your business logic for API you can implement it. దీనికే compulsory what is required? urls.py. Nothing but your endpoint you have to implement it. Once API is ready, once you are provided endpoint, then by using partner application, whether it is a Python application or it is a browsable API or it is a Postman, we have to use the application like that. You have to implement your APIs. Tomorrow client is not asking API, Babu, API is not required, only Django application. Simple, select this, delete the folder. Gone. Now I am creating one folder. Inside application related API, right click, new folder. What is the folder name? API. So my test API, one API is there. Inside API, give the file. What is the file? Views.py. Okay, write your business logic. దీనికి ఒక URL, mention urls.py. Just whatever code I am written views now, this code we have to write that views.py code into here and URLs you can mention. So now that is the API role. Tomorrow you don't want simple right click, you can delete. API will be gone. Only application given to the client. That is the process we have to do. How to implement our APIs. Django application. Only your application can be used by end user. End user can use our application. Partner application not able to use. By using Python script, browsable, no chance. Our role is application developers. Now we have to develop API. API developer. అది how to implementing API to existing project. Entry point of view, main question is difference between API view and ViewSet. Differences between API view and ViewSet. Just like already we discussed, differences between FBV and CBV, function based view and class based view. Same here also. API view ki view set ki differences. FBV, CBV. ఇది సోప్ కి రెస్ట్ కి ఇది మిక్సిన్స్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ లిస్ట్ టుపుల్ లేదనుకుంటా. ఇది సివివి ఎఫ్బివి. ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? అబ్బో. Sir, now Differences between the API and ViewSet. API view is available to the REST underscore framework dot views. It is available in REST underscore framework dot ViewSets. Method names are reflected to HTTP methods, get method, put method, post method. These are reflected to the database model classes, actions, operations. Now, these are all the multiple differences about API view and list view. So entry point of view, important question, this one. Whatever differences between the API view and view set, I will send you in the Telegram just to go through this one. So next application is application on API view with models. Just in the last example, I'm taken only red, yellow, blue colors. This one, no. I have to create one model within the database. How I can insert the data? How can I update and delete those data? That is the concept now. So go to the command prompt, stop the server, go to the back. Now Django hyphen admin start project with REST C3 class 3 CD with REST class 3 py manage.py start app test app. Now ready. Next two things you have to add. One is REST underscore framework. Second one test app in settings.py file. So go to the Atom, close this, close the ViewSet. With REST 3, open this settings.py. Install apps REST underscore framework, comma, test app. Added there. First create one model, models.py. Inside class employee models dot model is the class name, employee number models dot integer field, employee name models dot character field, maximum length employee salary models dot float field, employee address models dot character field. These things already you know. Create one model class. Register this one into admin.py. So you have to register to the admin.py file. Go to admin. Here, class, employee admin, admin dot, model admin is the class. The variable is list underscore display. Whatever you want to display, ID, number, name, salary. Register this one, admin dot site dot register. First class employee, next class employee admin. Employee is not there. From test app dot models import employee. This one also register this one into admin panel. Next, make migrations and migrate. ఈ అడ్రస్ ఒకటి ఉంది కదా, ఈ అడ్రస్ So now py manage.py make migrations, migrate. Now create super user. Email ID, password, yes, run the server. Server is started. So take this, go to the admin panel, login. Table is ready. Add records manually, some 4 records, because I want to do the get operation. That's why name Sunny, e-salary 12,000, address. Save this. Add employee 102, Bunny 14,000, Hyderabad. Next 103, Winnie, salary 16,000, some Bangalore. Save this. 104, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Done. 4 records are available there. Sir, I want to read the operation means get, put, post methods are available there. First, we have to implement one Python file, that is, what is the file? Serializers.py, because in this Python file, we have to do the serialization, deserialization. This class will be take care about that. So right click on test app, go to the new file, serializers.py file. In this, from rest underscore framework dot, what is the module name? Serializers. Import. What can I import? What is the class name? Can I go to the serializer or model serializer? Model serializer is the best one. Very short code we have to write it. Class. Your class name is employee serializer. This person will take care about all conversions. What is the predefined class name? Meta. What is your model name? Employee. How many fields you can require? All. Underscore underscore all. But model class is not there. From test app dot models import employee. This is our serializer class. This class will be take care by converting object to JSON to complex type. Everything will be take care by employee serializer class. Sir, indulo parent class I am forgetting. Sorry. This is the child. What is the parent? Model serializer. Parent class is missing. Under test app, under your application, you can create serializers.py. Interview questions on Django. Okay. Format. అటాచ్మెంట్ ఫైల్స్ ఉండదేంటి ఇందులో ఉంటది కదా అటాచ్ ఇది లింక్ అండర్లైన్ ఇటాలిక్ బోల్డ్ ఫైల్ అటాచ్ చేయటం ఉంటది అక్కడ సర్లేండి views.py in telegram I will upload the Django entry questions Go through that one. Sir, go to the views.py now. Here, take the class. My class name is employee list. I'm using APIView. What is the parent class? APIView. From rest underscore framework dot views import. What is the class name? APIView. This is the parent. This is the child class. Instead, you have to write override the method of which method? Get method. First one self, comma. Second one request. So how to read all the data from the employee table? Simple table name dot objects dot. What is the function? All the data you are getting query set, but it is not available here. From test app dot models import employee. Okay, all employees came. Capital M. Sir, this is the query set ante objects, database objects. These database objects I want to convert to that one. Who is responsible? Employee serializer is responsible to convert this QS. There are many records are there, many equal to true. Now it is a serializer. Take one variable. I want to return this response. Return, what is the class name? Response. So import that class from rest underscore framework dot. The module name is response. Import, the class name is response. Return this response. Response of serializer. Your variable is serializer dot. What is the variable? Data. Completed. This is only the code, 3 lines. Next, I will let only 1 line code enough. Previously written a number of lines. Is it valid JSON? ID is there, not there, invalid, valid. Now, just 3 lines. This one, you know how to read the data. Give this QS to employee serializer. It available dot data. Define one URL for this. Give the endpoint API. API. Now, views dot. What is our view? Employee list APIView dot as underscore view. Now, from test app import views. Done. See the server. Server is started. Copy the address. This is the admin panel. Now give your API. Not imported అనుకుంటా. ఎక్కడ వ్యూస్ లో ఇంకోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్లాస్ కదా, నాట్ ఇంపోర్టెడ్. కరెక్టే. ఫ్రమ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ డాట్ serializers module import class name employee. Now check the server restarted. Now again send the first employee, second employee, third employee, fourth employee. Employee list API get method only implemented. Next, write the post method code. Your post button will come. Add the data, click on post, data will be inserted here successfully. Update, delete all are. This is called as browsable API. Their major statements are all are import statements only. Coding, very less coding. Importing API view, importing employee, importing response, importing employee serializer. అది స్టోరీ గెట్ మెథడ్ కి. No, in the ViewSet, you can use list, not get. APIView HTTP methods get, post, put, delete, patch. In the ViewSet methods changes, in the starting today, explain now. ViewSet methods are these only: list, retrieve, create, update, partial, destroy only. Next, start the server, send the request. Completed. Sir, once I'm getting API, I am getting all the records in the browser. Even how many records are there? First record, second one, third one, fourth one, all will be printed. Same, I want to do all operation. There is another class is there to list operation. There is one more class is there, direct class, that is list APIView is the class. This is the parent class. Present I'm given parent class. What is the parent class? APIView. Instead of that, direct you can give list APIView, but it is available in REST underscore framework dot generics module. In this module, it is available there. So what I was doing is line number 118, why we are using as view? Good question. Sir, now to do this list operation, okay, observe here carefully. I'm not using API. I'm taking one more import from REST underscore framework dot. What is the module name? Generics. Import. What is the class name? List API view. Copy this. paste here. Now you have to reading all employees. Okay, done. Don't mention all these things, not required. There is one predefined variable is there. What is the variable name? Serializer class. What is your serializer class? Employee serializer. Give the class name. Bus. You won't do anything. Code completed. Only 2 lines. This is the reading data. This is the predefined variable. What is your serializer class? Employee serializer. That class I mentioned. 2 lines of the code. See the server ready. Now, if I refresh, again 4 records only I'm getting. Your understandable purpose, one new record I am adding. 105. Katrina, 12,000. Address, Chennai. Now totally 5 records are there. Go to here. Now previously 4. I am refreshing. ఓహో ఎక్కడ రెస్పాన్స్ రాసామని మనం ఎంప్లాయీ not required. This whenever I'm given variable na, that variable will take care about those things. కాదు కాదు సీదా ఎర్రర్ ఏమన్నాడు లిస్ట్ API view. Yeah, I'm taken method and all the things. Once method is there, you have to return something. Save this, check the server, ready. Now refresh this. Assertion error. This time error is the different. Employee list API view should be either include query set, attribute get query set method, or override. Oh no, present I don't want override. If I want, I can override. Sorry, another error came. You can Google it, then you will get the answer. Already we are using so many times as underscore view. Now you are asking why we are using as underscore view. Sir, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడంటే we have to override get query set means if I want to override, I can override. ఓహో correct. Sir, here don't use your variables. Sorry, predefined variables. What it is? Query set. Yeah, that is the mistake. Correct. Now send the request. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Because the reason is I'm using list API view class. Don't use get method. Query set. Employee.objects at all. What is the serializer class? Class name. Then it will take care. Adi mistake. So previous view ki, now view ki observe. Previously I'm using get method, return, response, everything is there. Present, those things are not required. Just import the list API view, parent, child. Query set is the variable, serializer class is the predefined variables. That is the code. Only just 2 lines of the code we have to write for the get operation. In the Django previous classes, you can check the CBV's concept explained the class-based reviews in ORM. Then you will get the answer why we are using as underscore view. Srinidhi. Once implemented this is your URL pattern. Then we are getting sir, for example, in this list API view, here API, next if I continue, what is this one? Question mark, ename equal to, I'm given Sunny. What is the meaning? It is taking, yeah, here, this is called as a query string. Means I want to display the name contains NNY or SUN, VIN. How to perform this type of query string operation means search operation. Then previously you are getting one error na? To implement search operation. Just now they are telling one method you have to override get underscore query set method we have to override. This one will give all employees, but I want to display only. Just now I'm asking, yeah. In this query string, ename equal to Sunny. This one is called as query string. So I want to list out all employees whose name contains NNY. And then Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, Chinny will come except Katrina. If the name contains NNY, those details I want to display. For that requirement, you have to override which method? Get query set method you have to override. So go to the views. Now comment this one because it is reading all employees. I don't want. You have to override the method. What is the method name? Get underscore query set predefined method. It is a internally I have to provided self variable. Now I want to read all the employees. How to read all employees? Employee dot objects dot all employees we are getting. This is the all employees inside self dot request dot get command. Inside you can ask about ename. Whatever ename you are passing, that name will be stored into variable, name variable. Now, if name is not none, because if it is available, it will return name. Otherwise, get command will return none. If it is not none, your query set equal to change this one QS dot. What is the function? Filter function. In all employees, you can filter ename underscore contains equal to your name. return this query set. So first I'm reading data from the request. The name I can provide it to this one. If name is not none, how to filter underscore contains, I contains. What is the difference between both? Equal ignore case, I contains means, okay. Now see the server. Server is ready. Now your query set should be, this is the query set kada. First one, I have to provided ename equal to Sunny. Copy, go to the another browser, paste it. Am I getting only Sunny record or not? Yes. Suppose I can take NNY is my query string. Now you can check it. Sunny, Bunny-lo, Winnie-lo, Chinny, Katrina not came. Suppose my query string is I can provide it with VIN. Now only Winnie record. So like that, search operation also you have to provide it. So this method you have to override into your class. Once you have to override, you can send the request. First request to Sunny, second request to NNY, third request to any names you can give. VIN, that is called as query string. To implement create operation, the class name is, these are the predefined classes all are create API view. Import this one, give to the parent class. Now observe carefully, not completed. Same you have to import the class. What is the class name? Create API view. Create API view. Okay. Now take a class name, any name you can give. Employee create API view. Instead, what is the parent class? This one. Give this parent class. Inside, just you have to mention 2 lines. What it is? First argument is query set. What is the query set? Employee dot objects dot all. Next, what is the variable name? Serializer class. What is your serializer class? Employee serializer. Done. For this, mention one endpoint URLs. Employee create API view. Completed. Server is started. Now give the API. Now you can enter your employee number. So now post method is there. Here 5 employees are there. Now go to here. This one employee number 106. Employee name Karina. Radhika. Salary 12,000. Address Hyderabad. Post. Yeah. Request is completed. Check the database. Refresh. Radhika came. So that is the how to insert the data to the database. Simple. You have to take that. Create API view class. In the views, just you have to implemented these 2 lines. That is only. For this one, endpoint is required. URLs. Then that is the code. Predefined function class. Predefined class, not function. Create API view is a class. That class I am inherited to my child class. Employee, you know, model name, objects dot all, you know. Query set predefined variable. These all predefined variables are available parent class. Retrieve operation. Ante to get a particular record, only one record, 3 or 2 or 1 or 5 or something. Not list. All the records means first class. What is the class name? Yeah, what is the class name? List API. It will give all the records. But I want only one record to get a particular record. For this, what is the parent class? Retrieve API view is the parent class. Go to there, views.py. After this, comma, what is the class name? Is going to retrieve API view. Now, take one more new class, copy, paste. employee retrieve API view. The parent class is retrieve API. Query set serializer common. దీనికి ఒక ఎండ్ పాయింట్ go to URLs. Comment this. But a particular view kabatti compulsory how to provide what we have to provide integer with primary key because 3 or 2 or 1 I am passing that one instead of create API view retrieve API view done. See the server is ready. Now a particular record kabatti how to go to here slash API is the endpoint slash a third record give the 3 idigondi third record. If I want first record give 1 Sunny. If I want fifth record give the 5. Am I getting records or not? Yes, that is the particular record. This is the URL. These are predefined classes. They take that particular class. The 2 lines are common. Query set to serializer class. Instead of PK, can I give ID? Is it working? PK place low. If I'm given ID, then am I getting records or no? In your employee table, ID is there now. Your ID. Then instead of primary key, if I change as a ID, am I getting the data or no? I'm not given PK primary key. I can mention ID. Save this. Go to here. Give instead of 5, third record. Am I getting a record? Refresh the browser. Getting some error. What they are telling? Assertion error. చూడండి expected view employee retrieve view to be called URL keyword argument PK or fix your URL configure or set the something they are telling. What they are telling? Lookup underscore field. Okay. And which field by using your accessing mention that field into your class. In this class lookup field equal to which field? ID. Now refresh the browser. Now I'm getting the third record. If I want to fourth record. So possible if you're not given this lookup field, then you will get the error. Mention that field based on that it is calling the data. This type of error we are getting. So just is note sake I'm given. Don't write this one. Change ID. Then go to your serializer class, view class, mention this field. Then automatically error will be gone. Third column, you can add this one. Lookup underscore field equal to ID. Then automatically we'll get the values. On the previous URLs, this one primary key. I changed primary key as a ID. You are getting an error. To resolve this error, go to the class. Inside you can give lookup field ID. Then problem will be resolved. For update operation, what is the class? Update APIView is the class. You won't do anything, just to take that class as a parent class. Update APIView. అయిపోయింది ఏమో జస్ట్ ఇంకా 2 update to delete. Just to only parent classes. These are all. Extend that class. Okay. Go to the views. Check this. And we are not doing anything. Just to copy. Paste this. What is the class name? Update APIView. Take this class. Give it as a parent class. Employee. Update APIView. Completed. For this URL. Your URL same only. Class name will be changes. Instead of retrieve, what is the class name? Update APIView. Now see this. The third record, Winnie, 16,000 is the salary. Okay. Pass the third record. Record is there. In the whatever salary field you want to mention, you can mention it. I don't want change number. Okay. Name. If you want, you can change your wish. Winnie kada. Winnie badlu, I can change it as a Pinny. Salary. And then the 16,000. 22,000. Address. I don't. If you want, you can change your wish. Okay. E-name, this I can change it. You can go to the put up patch. This field may not null. ఎక్కడో ఎర్రర్ ఇచ్చాను. ఎక్కడ ఎర్రర్ ఉంది. ఏమైనా ఇండెంటేషన్లు ఏమైనా పోయినాయి ఏంటి? ఈ నేమ్ పిన్ని ఈ salary 22,000. Yeah. Last lo comma is there. Remove this. Now updated. Indaka something goes wrong. Idugondi. Pinny salary 22,000. So that is the class. Only have to do only one thing. Take the parent class as a whatever classes I'm telling, those classes parent classes. దీనికి ఒక URL end point. Delete కి destroy API view. That class you can inherit it. Delete the record. Data will be gone. So I will post in the Google Classroom now just to go through that one. Simple things only. destroy operation. Destroy key. Only class name is destroy API view. Give that one as a child class. Okay, 1 minute. Check this. Copy the class, paste it. The parent class name is destroy API view. Copy the class name. Come to here, paste it. Employee destroy API view. Go to URLs. Same only. Class name you can change. Employee destroy API view. Now, what is the last one? Sixth ID. Come here, access the sixth one. Yes, delete operation is there. Delete. Is it employee deleted or not deleted? Refresh. Sixth employee gone. That is the way, sir. So these are all the parent classes only. Coding, everything should be simple only. Just take one class, copy, paste, change the parent class names, and your URL address will be changes. Nothing will be there. So here totally how many classes we have seen? API view, list API, create API, retrieve, update, destroy. 6 classes are done. I think a major problem is, okay, I'm doing everything fine, sir. Suppose if I am given this endpoint to you, you are accessing my endpoint by using a browser. Can you delete the record or not? Yes. But once you go to the bank application, you can open your application. You can see your bank balance. Can you delete your account? No, not possible. Only we can see the account. Delete account means you can use some request to the bank employee, then they can close the account. They can delete it. You are not possible to delete. But here there is no restriction. Anyone can insert, anyone can delete, anyone can update. And how to do that type of, I want to give only 2 permissions. We have to view the records only. If you want insert, you can insert. Delete, I don't want to give the permission. For example, just no example, list of jobs are there. End user can see the job only. Can you delete the jobs? I don't want to give permission. Just only have to see in the Naukri, whatever jobs are you can see, you don't delete. But in Naukri admin, they can delete, they can add anything. So I have to give only view permission. For that, there is separate classes will be there. Those classes tomorrow I will explain how to give a particular permission to the endpoints. Okay, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.